everyone, welcome to our channel. Rebecca Stew and the crew. I'm so happy to have y'all here today. Welcome. Today we have a new video to show what's new, what's been restocked at your local Dollar Tree. We're in DFW. I went to 3 more stores for this part of the week. I combined all the pictures into one video for you to make it easier for viewing. So let's go shopping and we'll see what's new first in the apparel and accessories. We have these cosmetic bags with the ombre effect in pink, white, and purple. Very pretty, soft colors. They also had this soft lavender with the fluffy style material, and they had more of these large cosmetic bags that I showed you guys on Tuesday. I found these at more stores this week, so if you haven't seen them yet, keep your eye out for them. They're selling very quickly, but they're nice large bags. Also, they had these fur style bags. They had in more darker tones. You could get them in brown, dark navy blue. They had hunter green. There's also a darker olive, almost like sage green. They had a rose pink. There was also a plum wine kind of berry color, but I don't have that picture for some reason, so I apologize. These oversized sunglasses are new. They just got these in. And now we'll move over into the arts and crafts and see what's new over there. So in arts and crafts this week, I found more of the Cousins DIY 3-piece unfinished wood surfaces. You can get the 3-piece of hearts for $1.25. There's also the 3-piece circles or stars, and they go from small, medium to large. They have their wood cubes, which are 2 inches by 2 inches, all restocked. They had a full box of those, and the wooden book pieces. They're nice and thick to look like a fake book that you can design. Also, they have lots of these flower and greenery stickers. They're a pop-up sticker and the magic on sticker, so when you apply them to the page you don't see the border for most of them because it's a clear border, and some of the pop-up ones you will see a little bit but not much. Those are really nice for scrapbooking. Then the Crayola model magic in blue, red, and yellow has been restocked, and so is the Eileen's DIY industrial strength glue sticks. Lots of this white glitter ribbon has been stocked. They have a couple different styles of white ribbon. There's a full box of the white. Also some pearl ribbon in the gold and white has been restocked, and so was the lace ribbon. You get 9 feet for most of those rolls of ribbon. Also, they have their burlap ribbon in. I love that they started to carry it in white. They usually have the light green, dark green, brown, and pink, but the white is the new color they have in recently. Crafter Square fabric, they have the 18 by 21 inch rolls. There's the 3 different shades of blue. These are 100% cotton. You could also get the pastel yellow, pink, and the pastel squares. Now for the baby and toddler gear this week, I found some of these fun in the tub foam pieces. There's Gabby's Dollhouse. Also, they have the Disney Princess and Spidey Friends. They have it's just like a foam piece that will stick to the wall when they're wet. There's the sensory teether toy and some of the electric toothbrushes. We have the Crayola. There's also the Blippi. You can see it comes with the battery, and they have the Squishmallows, which was the largest size, which would fit more of the larger toddler size. The health and beauty section, we're going to be looking at what's new for cosmetics, hair care and hair accessories, and some pharmacy style personal care items. First up, we have this Beauty Intuition highlighter. It says for a flattering glowing effect. There's also the Beauty Intuition lip oil set. There's 3 of them. You get strawberry, lime, and lemon. They also have the mini lip balm set with the grapefruit, lime, and lemon, or you can get the lip balm, which is strawberry, lime, and lemon. There's also these clean color master stroked eyeshadow sticks, and they had a whole bunch of colors. I believe there was 6 that I found. There's like 2 shades of blue, 2 purple, a yellow, and an orange. Almay Goddess lip gloss is also at Dollar Tree. They had this really dark purple with some glitter and some yellow gold with glitter. It looks like it goes on with a sheer finish. Also, I found the Salon Perfect Manicure to Go sets and the Modern French Manicure by Salon Perfect. They have different lengths, different shapes, different colors, and different finish. There's 24 nails in each kit. It says there's also a nail file and professional nail glue included. I found these great gifts, jeweled eyeshadow or eye makeup puffs and the sleeping jeweled mask. These are so cute with the rhinestones. They have some heatless curling sets. This one has like the tie-dye kind of ombre effect. You get one hair rod and two hair elastics. They also had it in this light pink color. Then there were these pearl clips. You get two of them. They had them in brown and black, and you can get these claw clips to match, also in the brown and black with the pearls. These little snap clips, you get two of them. They have the pink and blue and the two different shades of brown. And then these claw clips right here, they coordinate with the headbands and the scrunchies that I showed you guys last Friday. They have those claw clips now that match that set. And these claw clips here, there's three different styles that you can get, all with the clear and black speckles. They have these scrunchies here with these silver beads attached. There's a satin finish in the light brown and the light blue. These small travel facial cloths, you get 15 in a bag. These are really nice. You just add water and they open up to a large washcloth size. Nice and sturdy. They work really, really well. Also, I found the spot acne treatment, which is oil free, the microfiber facial pads, and the large sponge with the loofah that says love you. It looks like a conversation heart for like Valentine's Day. They had a whole bin of those in purple. Also, I found these masks. There's the hot cocoa. There's the hand scrub, hand and knuckle cream. They also have it in the renewing exfoliator. There's the pumpkin seed, pumpkin extract. They also had some nourishing foot scrubs and heel glaze. For fun finds this week, they had a bunch of these pens. There's like 8 to 10 colors depending on which pen you get. There was some Disney Princess. They had Jurassic World, Spider-Man, Mickey Mouse, Disney Princess, the Doritos, also the Cheetos and Cheese Puffs. There were Bubble Yum. There's Mike and Ike, Twizzlers. These all have 10 different colors. They had Pringles and Doritos, the Mike and Ike Jolly Ranchers, Hot Tamales, the Twizzler pen, and a different Mike and Ike pen that was the Berry Blast. Then you can get the oversized jumbo erasers as well to match all of the pens. They had, of course, the Jolly Ranchers, the Mike and Ike. There's the Bubble Yum. Lots of fun items. Those were all up by the registers. For home decor, they have these square candles. This is Clarity by Luminescence in the light peach. I like the container. I like that they're square instead of the traditional round. They also had these trays back in. They had these out last year around this time. They also had a circle. I didn't see the circle tray as of yet. These glass containers all have the different things like Taurus or Sagittarius, Leo, so all of like Capricorn, things like that. They had them in either the blue or the white, and they all have the design on top, and then the horoscope sign inside of the glass container down at the bottom. And they're all wrapped with these plastic for most of them, unless someone had opened them like this one here. I also found this sign with the cardinal that says love for Christmas. So pretty. They have the blessed with the buffalo plaid and welcome to our home. These all have the buffalo plaid ribbon at the top. They had these tapier candle holders back in. You can get the circle. They're all in the black finish. And more of these tabletop tic-tac-toe. These are really nice. They're a nice, thick, heavy tic-tac-toe game for just $1.25. The office supplies, home library, and teaching tree section. We have these counting blocks for like manipulatives. They have the 100-piece block. There's the 10 rods. And then we have some readers for little ones. These are the leveled readers like Scooby-Doo and Hello Kitty. Lots of different Christmas coloring books. There's the Woodland Christmas. They have like dot to dot. There's different word games, coloring pages. They also have the Jumbo Rainbow High coloring book, some Barbie coloring books that have bookmarks on the back cover. There was Moana and the movie Wish. So they had lots of Disney books out as well as the Barbie books. Then I found the Dot to Dot SpongeBob SquarePants book. It has a whole bunch of pages of dot to dots with all of the fun SpongeBob characters. And they're nice large pictures to color, which are good for little ones. The Twistable crayons, they have a 5-pack mini Also, they had the color changing markers. There's 8 of them by Jot. Now for housewares, home maintenance, storage, organization, and electronics, we have the hand sanding block kit. They also have the screwdriver kit where you can add all the little pieces to the end and change them out. Some carpet stain remover. They have the bathroom foaming cleanser with bleach, which I don't remember seeing before. They have a bunch of new Oxidol products. There's also this wrinkle away spray by Home Bright, and these little charger sets. They have football, there's a flamingo, they have one that has a cute little shark on it, and all the colors, of course, match with the little character on the end. They had a daisy and a heart. Then for the kitchen and pantry section this week, I found that they had these large bags of honey and almonds granola, and they had some pecans, some modern pantry holiday nog, strawberry jello, and the 0-calorie cheesecake jello. They also had the chocolate fudge and the 0 sugar. It's not often you find 0 sugar there. They also had some basil pesto, which was nice to find. This checkerboard coffee cup, which is super on trend right now. The coffee in one hand, confidence in the other. Coffee mug, and live in the moment. I also found this one that says Saturdays are for girls with the flowers and find your happy place. They had some large paper plates that are heavy duty. They're foil lined in red or green for Christmas. They're just $1.25 for 10-inch plates, and you get 8 of them. They were pretty heavy. Usually they're pretty thin at Dollar Tree. With these, you could actually feel the weight to them. There's this 51 count bag of paper straws in these pastel colors like peach, mint green, and lavender. And now we'll look to see what's new in the party supplies this week. So for party supplies this week, I found this happy birthday tabletop sign. They also had these plates that match that set. They have these large gift bags that say love over by the like wedding items that has glitter on it. That was new. It kind of has like a ombre effect in color, but it's kind of hard to see. They have their ice buckets restocked, the mini spoons and mini forks for like hors d'oeuvres and things like that. Those are all in the silver color scheme. They had the picks for like cheese and cracker trays and fruits and things like that. These are the gift bags that are actually boxes, so you could reuse them, and they come in 4 different sizes. As you can see here, there's the party time, there's happy birthday with the astronaut, let's eat cake with the smiley faces and stars. And here's the view from this side. And now we'll look to see what's new and been restocked over in the pet care. They had more of these kitty litter pads that you could put down in front of the cat litter to help catch the litter as the little ones come out of their litter box. They have bags of catnip for the $1.25, and these are called Fetcheroni. Fetch the flavor, 100% beef treats. It's a beef chew. There's also the Busy Roll Hide. It says it's long lasting by Purina, and you get 3 of those in that packet. It says it's made with real beef hide. They also had the beef collagen dog chew. And this is what it looks like in the packaging. They had some new toys. They had these really fun toys. This is the Jet Puffed Marshmallow toy and the 2-pack of the Clausen Pickles. They're so funny. They also had the grape Kool-Aid packet, and then the Heinz ketchup and mustard packets. So silly. Over in the seasonal items, they have more of these little ornaments. You get 6 of them. Those are for the mini trees. They had more of the beaded garland restocked. Also, these large oval trays, the serving platters, and a bunch of these cups that say Jingle Juice. They're like a shot glass. They had a bunch of their mirrored glittered ornaments restocked. It's been a while since they put out more ornaments. Like, they've been gone around here for quite a while, so it was nice to see that they've restocked some of the ornaments. At least they had them in the red, the green, the gold, and the silver, and I believe they come in white as well. They had a whole bunch of these. There were other ornaments, but we've seen them before, but the majority of what was restocked were these ornaments that we're seeing right here. You can see they have them in white and in silver, and they come in a couple different styles. The red and the white are the ones that keep flying off the shelf. You can usually find the green ones pretty easily, and the gold, but the red and white, that's a super popular color scheme this year, it seems to be. because those are kind of hard to find. I also found these hot cocoa ornaments. These are cute. It's a dark chocolate cocoa mix, 1 ounce cup that you can hang on the tree or put in like a gift box. They have a bunch of the gift bags that are boxes, again, like the party items. These come in 4 different sizes, and they're all Christmas themed with like snowmen on them that say season's greetings. They had a bunch of really pretty gift bags as well for $1.25. They're nice and large. Now, some of the really, really large gift bags I found were $3 this year, but the $1 tree I was at last week had some gift bags that were really large. They had no price tag on them, so usually that means they are $1.25. So make sure you guys check out the price before you get to the checkout. These are some lollipops that look like Christmas lights. They have the DIY ice skates. That's the first time I've seen those this year. The Barbie stocking and a Barbie hat. Don't remember seeing those this year yet. The toys and games, they have a bunch of like art kits out right now. There's the paint your own posters. You get 2 of them. There's the Disney Princess, Lilo and Stitch. And they had a whole bunch of like Matchbox cars and things like that restocked. And this week they had a whole bunch of the like monster trucks. There's like El Toro Loco. There's Gravedigger. They had a ton of them. I'll just show you guys a few of them. Also, they have the Transformer toys. It comes with a mini card that is a collectible right now, but they have like Starscream. There's uh, all the different Transformers like Megatron and like Optimus Prime and things like that. But those all come with that collectible card. These are the fashion designer activity kit. They're like a paper doll kit where you can mix and match the fashions. They had Disney Princess and Barbie. You can see on the back of the box, it shows you all the different outfits it comes with. The shrink and play sets, they had these out last year. I actually made a video showing how they work, and they work quite well. Dollar Tree Plus section, there's the Tool Bench 18 function and 1 set hammer tool for $5. They also had these large drawing books or art pads that says follow your dreams. One says radiate positivity, and then they had this one. It says find your inner magic. These were all $5. They're nice large art books with like the really heavy thick paper. They also had these books with the gold binding on the outside edge of the paper, and it's all lined paper journals. It just says notes on the front, and those were also $5. Then these large plushies, they had the pizza. You can also get a milkshake. There's supposed to be a hamburger in that set, but I didn't see it at that time. There's this Bingo Deluxe set for $5, and the mini player basketball set, also $5. This is a digital counting bank. As you put the coins in, it'll keep track of how much money. It does require 2 AAA batteries, but it has the LCD screen at the top. There's a tabletop arcade game. It looks like you bounce it in. It's like skee ball. These fun little kits. They have Gabby's Dollhouse, the Coco Melon. Those are like activity, like art kits. There's a tabletop cornhole game for $5, and that is it for today's video. Thank y'all so very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and please share this video. It really helped me out. And here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. I hope y'all have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you back here next week. Thanks so much for watching.